keep my hands on the bucket.
Okay.
Four minutes.
Mm-hmm. Are you okay?
I'm just scared. It's almost 3 minutes till it goes off.
Almost.
It's almost 3 minutes. Almost 3 minutes. Almost 3 minutes. Almost me. Almost 3 minutes. Almost 3 minutes. Almost 3 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Almost 3 minutes. Now it's 3 minutes. That's exciting. That's exciting. 3 more minutes until it happens.
That is exciting.
So when it reaches 2 minutes and 25 seconds, it's gonna be 12:50. 12:58.
Mm-hmm.
You know how I know?
How do you know?
Because it was like that time at 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Yeah.
So in like less than that much seconds now, it's gonna be turning to 8.
Yeah.
12:58. 25, like less than 25 more seconds now till it becomes that time.
Mm-hmm.
Why does the sun always do those big, bright flashes?
I don't know, honey.
Oh, it already turned.
Yep.
2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
2-minute warning.
Oh, it is already extended.
Mm-hmm.
Damn it. I can't look now. Otherwise I'll go blind.
It's okay.
All I can do is now is look at this time meter. That's the only help solution. It's gonna change at 3:20 to 12:59.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah. At 3:20 of the minute sign. Or this sign. It's gonna do it. Oh, it does it at 3:18.
I remember last time it was like a minute or two late, right? The siren?
Yeah. Don't roll it off.
I thought you'd want to hear it.
You would be able to hear it from right here.
Okay, my bad. I'm sorry.
It's almost time.
Mm-hmm.
What if it's not late this time?
Well, then it'll be here quickly.
Four? It's been 4 minutes
Neighbors.
on this. 'Cause it started a couple of seconds late. Let's see what time it does this. Yeah, it does it at 19. Hold on my window. There it goes!
Yep.
It's going!
Yep, it sure is. It's spinning around too.
Ow!
You see it spinning? You okay?
You hear that?
I do.
Can I get out?
Sure.